Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Apple Pay to your Shopify store. So first of all, of course, what you need to do here, you need to go to shopify.com and log into your account if you haven't already, and then you will end up on the back end of your Shopify store like I'm here. Then you need to go to settings on the bottom left corner, and then you need to go to payments here. And then you need to choose a provider. So press on choose provider. You can see here it's recommending me to Stripe. You can see all the supported providers here, and once you are here, then you need to look for payment methods here and select Apple Pay. And as you can see here, there is a six providers. That's basically that customers can pay through Apple Pay. So looks what available for you. Here you can see here, for example, Stripes, you can pay through Visa, MasterCard, Amex, American Express, or Apple Pay. So for example, I want to use this one. So what you need to do here is next to select on the provider that you want to use, right? And then just set up your Shopify store with Stripe and basically go with all the instructions to do that. That's it. And that's how you can add Apple Pay to your Shopify store. So I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.